Okay, hi, I'm Lorraine, and ironically, my first vlog, me and my mom are going outside to unshovel her car, so let's see how this works out. So much snow, it's ridiculous. In the middle of the blizzard, unshoveling your car. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my mom. So now we're out here in the blizzard, you can't see anything. It's crazy out here. And she wants to unshovel her car and go get eggs for breakfast. Imagine if you can't see none of my footsteps right now. If I die, this will be my first and last vlog. Hopefully I won't though. Jesus. She doesn't know, but I'm gonna throw a snowball at her. See what happens. Okay, so I'm out here trying to undig this car that you can't even tell what it is with a damn dustpan. This sucks. Now I can't open the car. What? So, not how I want to spend a Sunday. What? Watch this.
Go ahead.
Girl! In your face! Progress on the car that we're still working on. This is definitely gonna take forever because we're still working on the stupid car. Mother. So if we don't go anywhere because of you, I'm mad. But we're almost done, so I guess there's some type of progress that we're making. The door's open right away, which I'm very shocked at. But they say it's gonna snow again, so this could actually be just a really pointless task that we're doing. But the things that I do for my mother and her dingy car, I feel sorry for these other cars though, because if they don't somehow put off a little bit of their snow, their car's gonna be completely buried by tomorrow. So hopefully we're not in that case. Okay, so now we're successfully in the car, but I don't know what we're doing. What are we doing?
I'm curious to see if I can back out.
The things that we're doing, and you can't see anything out of these windows. And they're frozen. Oh, wait, nope. Maybe we got something. Maybe I can see. This is crazy. Snow is everywhere. There's barely any cars out here. This road is not shoveled, or it could have been shoveled, but it just got covered up so fast because the snow is really heavy out here in St. Louis. Nice way to end your weekend was with a blizzard. So now we're probably at the one store that's open. We're at Family Dollar. That has exactly one car here just to get eggs and other things.
What else?
I don't know yet. We don't know how long we're gonna be in the house.
What you want me to get, Lorraine? I want to leave the car.
Of course, she leaves me out here in the car, even though it's probably warmer than the store, but she wants me to get out of the warm car to hit up the back window because she didn't do it. So now I have to go outside and do it. And the locks are frozen. They're not, I'm locked in here because the locks are frozen. They're not coming up. Like, I'm locked in the car right now and the locks are frozen. There's no way that I'm getting out of here, and I guess we're just gonna see what happens when she comes out the store because I can't get out to do whatever she wanted me to do, so whatever. Okay, so the car can unlock, but I just don't feel like getting out the car, but I guess I will, so I can hit the back window, so let's see what happens. Can I get out here? tear up this stupid back window. She absolutely did not even attempt to get any of the snow off her. So now I have to. This blizzard is so crazy right now in St. Louis. I was not expecting my winter vacation to literally be winter. Okay, so I'm back in the car. It took me a minute, but I kind of got the back window. You can't really tell because every time I do it, the snow like covers it right back up. So it's really pointless of me trying to uncover that back window. But I know she's gonna think I'm lying. But I'm not going back out there. People are walking right now in the snow for some semi-reason that I can't unearth, just to go to Family Dollar, because people probably got word that, hey, Family Dollar is open. There's probably literally one person here that actually made it to work in this bull. Apparently it's pee on that step right there. Craziest things that's out here in this winter storm. I'm not coming back in. No more today. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog today because I'm not going back out in the snow, and I'm gonna edit everything else. So if it's your first time watching my videos, please subscribe. Anytime I'm doing something interesting, you'll definitely see a vlog about it. So I'll see you until next time. Bye.